Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are well and living safe life at your home. Now today we will discuss about how will you find out area of triangle. Okay, my dear student, as you are looking, A B C D is square. Okay, A B C D is square, and in this square B C D is triangle. In this square BCD is triangle. BCD is shading portion. Okay, so how will you find out area of triangle BCD? My dear student, in this figure, as you are looking, triangle BCD is in the square ABCD. Okay, in this figure, triangle BCD is in the square ABCD. So how will you find out area of triangle? My dear student, when triangle BCD is in the square, so how will you find out area of triangle? My dear student, area of triangle is equal to half into area of square. Half into area of square. Okay. So as you know very well, what is the area of square? Area of square is side into side. Okay. So in this square ABCD, each side belongs to 6 centimeter. Each side belongs to 6 centimeter. The meaning is CD is 6 centimeter and A and BD is 6 centimeter. So how will you find out area of triangle BCD? That is the shading portion. So area of triangle BCD is equal to half into area of square ABCD. Half into area of square ABCD. You know very well, area of square is side into side. Okay, now in square each side belongs to 6 centimeter. So half into 6 into 6. After cancellation you will get 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. Therefore 6 3 ja 6 3 ja 18. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 6 3 ja 18. 18 square centimeter. 18 square centimeter is area of triangle BCD. Okay, so in this section, by this method we can find out the area of triangle. Okay, suppose my dear student, triangle is in the rectangle. Triangle is in the rectangle. As you are looking, PQRS is rectangle. PQRS is rectangle. Now QRS is the triangle and QRS is the triangle. Triangle QRS is in rectangle PQRS. Okay, so how will you find out area of triangle QRS? Area of triangle QRS is equal to half into area of rectangle. Half into area of rectangle. My dear student, why we are saying half? The meaning is this triangle QRS is half of area of rectangle PQRS. Okay, so area of triangle QRS is equal to half into area of rectangle PQRS. Area of triangle QRS is equal to half into area of rectangle PQRS. As you are looking, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So half into length into breadth. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Half into length. For example, in this rectangle, length is 10 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. Okay, so half into 10 into 4. After cancellation, what you are getting? 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 10 2 ja 20, 10 2 ja 20, 20 square centimeter is 20 square centimeter is area of triangle QRS. Okay, my dear student, so by this method we can find out area of triangle. Okay, my dear student, then after we will discuss about some problems. All these problems depend on your book. Okay, do and learn. Find the area of each triangle. This I made this figure according to your book. Okay, now in this figure, as you are looking, suppose in this figure we will find out area of triangle A. In this figure we will find out area of triangle A. A is the area of triangle. Okay, now as you are looking, suppose for example this is P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. Okay, PQRS is square. Now in square all sides are in equal. How did you find it? All sides are in equal. Now look here, this is 1 2 3 and 4, so SR is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, each side belongs to 4 centimeter. Area of triangle A is equal to half into area of square, half into area of square. My dear student, area of square, as you know, side into side, side into side, and side is 4 centimeter. So half into side, half into 4 into 4. After cancellation, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. 8 square centimeter is area of the triangle A. Okay, now look here, suppose this is half into area of square is side into side, side into side. S stand for side. Okay, half into area of square, half into side. All side belongs to 4 centimeter, so half into side, half into 4 into 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 square centimeter. 8 square centimeter is area of the triangle A. Okay, so this is the required answer for your required question. Now let us we will find out how will you find out other question, area of triangle B. Okay, my dear student, triangle B is in the square. Suppose P, this is Q, this is R and this is S. Triangle B is in the square PQRS. Okay, you know very well, in square all sides are in equal. So let us we will find out what is the length of each side. This is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So each side belongs to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So area of triangle B, is half of area of square, half of area of square. The meaning is area of triangle B is equal to half into area of square. Half into area of square is side into side, and side is 4 centimeter. How did you know this is 4 centimeter? In this one block is 1 centimeter. Again this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so all side belongs to 4 centimeter. Area of triangle B is equal to half into area of square. Area of square is side into side, again half into side is 4 centimeter, 4 into 4. After cancellation you are looking, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 8 square centimeter is area of the given triangle. Okay, again, so 8 square centimeter is the required answer for your required question. Again, we will find the area of each shaded triangle. Now look here, in this question number 2, we will find out area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ADC. Okay, so how will you find out? Area of triangle ADC is equal to half into area of rectangle ABCD. Triangle ADC is in the rectangle ABCD. Okay, so area of triangle ADC is equal to half into area of rectangle ABCD. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Okay, as you are looking in this rectangle ABCD, what is the length? Length is 8 centimeter. Length is 8 centimeter and breadth is 6 centimeter. So half into 8 into 6. After cancellation, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 8 3 ja 24 square centimeter. 24 square centimeter is area of triangle ADC. 24 square centimeter is required answer for your required question. Again, we will find out how can you find out in second question area of triangle TSR. Now look here, we will apply the same procedure. Area of triangle TSR is equal to half into area of rectangle PQRS. Okay, area of rectangle is length into breadth. So half into length into breadth. Half into length is 14 centimeter. Length is 14 centimeter and this is breadth. Height is 6. The meaning is 6 meter is breadth of the rectangle PQRS. So half into length into breadth. Length is 14, breadth is 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 14 3 ja 42, 14 3 ja 42. 42 square meter is area of triangle TSR. Okay, this is your required answer for your required question. Again, we will find out for next question how will you find out area of triangle ADB. How will you find out area of triangle ADB in this figure? Now look here, in this figure, as you are looking, ABCE is a rectangle and this rectangle divided into two parts. First is AFDE and second FBCD. Now look here, in this part AF is 40 centimeter, AF 40 centimeter and BF 15 centimeter. So how will you find out length of AB? AB is equal to AF plus FB. AF plus FB. AF is 40. As you are looking, AF is 40 centimeter and FB is 15 centimeter. 40 plus 15, it will give to you 55 centimeter. 55 centimeter is length of the rectangle ABCE. Okay, and breadth is 25 centimeter as you are looking. So area of triangle ADB. Area of triangle ADB is half of area of rectangle ABCE. Now look here, half area of triangle ADB is equal to half into area of rectangle ABCE. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now look here, half into length is 55 centimeter and breadth is 25. Now we will discuss about what is the answer. Again 55 into 25, 55 into 25. Now look here, please all of you look here. 55 into 25, 5 5 ja 25, carry over is 2, 5 5 ja 25 plus 2, 27. Again 2 5 ja 10, this is 0, carry over is 1, 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11. After adding you will get 1375, 1375 upon 2. Again we will apply the division procedure. 1375 divided by 2, 2 6 12, 3 minus 2 1. We can note down next number, this is 7, 2 8 16, 7 minus 6 1, 1 minus 1 0, this is 5, 2 7 14, 15 minus 14 1. Okay, now in this condition division is not possible, so what we will do, we take here decimal point. Okay, we will take here decimal point, and this decimal point, instead of this decimal point we put here 1 0. Okay, again 2 5 10, remainder is 0, quotient is 687.5. so 687.5 square centimeter is area of triangle ADB. Okay, this is your required answer for your required question. Okay, again we will find out, how will you find out area of triangle TSR. We will apply the same procedure. Triangle TSR is in the rectangle PQRS. Okay, now look here, according to figure, PT is equal to 28 meter and TQ is equal to 9 meter. Now look here, so how we will find out PQ, length of PQ, length of PQ is equal to PT plus TQ. PQ is equal to PT plus TQ. PT is 28 meter and TQ is 9 meter. After adding you will get 37 meter. 28 plus 9 is equal to 37 meter. This is 37 meter. Okay, now in this rectangle PQRS, length is 37 meter, length is 37 meter and breadth is 24 meter. So area of triangle PQR, area of triangle TSR, area of triangle TSR is equal to half into area of rectangle PQRS, half into area of rectangle PQRS. Area of rectangle is length into breadth, half into length is 37 meter, 37 into breadth is 24, this is 24, so half into 37 into 24. After cancellation 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, 37 into 12, 37 into 12. Now look here, what is the product for 37 into 12? 2 7 ja 14, this is 4, carry over is 1, 2 3 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7. Okay, again this is 7 1 ja 7 and this is 3 1 ja 3. After adding you will get 4 plus 0 4, 7 plus 7 14, this is 4, carry over is 1, 1 plus 3 4. Okay, so 444 square meter, 444 square meter is area of triangle TSR. Area of triangle TSR is 444 square meter. Okay, my dear student, this is the required answer for your required question. My dear student, all these questions depend on your book from exercise. I hope that it will be very useful to you for your knowledge and upcoming exam. Thank you. God bless you.